Hello and welcome to Kristina Steinbeck's famous progression number 1. Let's take a look at how it goes. We've got a pattern in here. Let's see if we can find the pattern and the pattern surprise. It does not do the pattern the whole time. Starting here on C, 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 E, C, E, G, 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 B, G, B. And then here's the break. And I feel like that really does throw in some nice surprise. Let's listen to it again. Dun, 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 dun. Oops, wrong key. Dun, 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 dun. And in case you're wondering which keys I'm hitting here, I've got my Muse Score piano keyboard all set up so we can watch it being played. Well, let's say we wanted to give it some attitude. What would we have to do? I think one of the best attitude instruments is drums. That sounds like attitude to me. Dun, 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 dun. And let's throw in the keyboard so you can see it again. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C, third. G, G, third. A, C. And then F thirds. Again, last time. And I'm using the strings sound with the piano. And I would probably end it on some C chords like that. And done. Good job, Kristina. Round of applause.